Grow your YouTube channel by engaging with this video. Like this video to show support. Subscribe to never miss uploads. Engage by commenting, sharing, and hitting the notification bell. Let's grow together.
In the vast expanse, a verdant world beckoned. The Continental Alliance set sights on conquering it. They deployed factories, exploiting mercilessly, disregarding consequences. Devastation grew. The population resisted their subjugation. The situation spiraled, threatening galactic stability. A cautionary tale of unchecked ambition unfolded. Like Napoleon's Continental System, severe consequences ensued. Cinematic visuals of Solstice-5's unravelling compel reflection. Sustainable development and responsible stewardship are crucial. Global cooperation charts a better future's course. Solstice-5's fate, a sobering lesson against ambition's perils. A thought-provoking geopolitical narrative for our times.